Here we are.
What's that? You were just there, Mama. You were
We
swimming.
kind of saw this below us when we were swimming.
These look like zebrafish. But they're not zebrafish.
What's that? What's that?
A little lobster.
No,
thingy.
lobster. That's a shrimp.
Or shrimp.
I have that one.
That's a shrimp? It has legs? Ooh, look at that. These paintings were put underwater and all these ocean things grew on it. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Andreas Frank. You can see the texture. You see the fishies? We saw fish like this, huh?
It's so little.
So little.
Small. Big fish. Big fish.
Anemone. Mile zero marker. So don't mind my hair, you know it's probably like a mess. But we are here at the Butterfly Conservatory and Kennedy's asleep. So she won't see it, but everybody's been raving about this place, so we have to go. And this is really our last opportunity to do so. So here we are, we're just entering. Here's my little butterfly sleeping. I want her to see the butterflies.
Another meal.
Wow. Watch your step. Wow. Look how big it is. It's humongous. Like, this is my palm. Look at that, it's huge. There's rainfall. I don't know if you can see it, but you can hear it, right? Oh, she's missing everything. How beautiful. Feels like heaven. Wow, so amazing. They're so fast. How beautiful. Oh my god.
It's like delicate
Gorgeous.
silk.
Yeah.
His brothers and sisters. Look, they can control the top parts and not move the bottom parts.
Yeah.
See that?
So cute and chubby. Oh, you need to see this, baby. I'm on the back side of it now. I'm gonna wait for her to leave so I can come around and get the front of it. Alright, we just got here to the southernmost point cafe, beach cafe. We're gonna eat something because we're all hungry. Look at this view. No, not him. So pretty. She woke up. I'm tempted to go back to the butterfly conservatory so she could see it herself. What happened? Because we can have access until 4:30. We got about an hour. Yeah! Mama. Alright, let's check this out. We're hungry. Got Cobb salads and wings. Let's see how it goes. Nachos! Nachos!
Is that pork?
Kennedy woke up and she said, I want to see butterflies. So we had to come back. It's like 2 blocks away.
It's like cool.
Yeah, it's so cool.
He's so cute.
He's so cute.
Let me touch him.
You can't touch them.
No.
Not allowed to. Look, 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 look,
Look
look.
at them. Look at them. You see it? They're the angels of the
So
insect
beautiful, huh? Wow.
Cute.
world. So beautiful, like you, Mama.
Get your cell phone.
Flamingos.
Birds, Mama. These are real birds.
What color are they? Green? No. They're pink.
They're almost red.
Pink, Mama. They eat shrimp.
Get in our backyard.
Yeah, it's like a backyard. Wow, 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 wow.
Butterflies. Do you love it?
Look at butterfly. And a backyard.
See the pretty blue bird over here?
Oh, pretty.
A peacock.
No, that's not a peacock. Mama. Wow. Oh my god, my heart, I can't take it. Oh my god. Mama. You should have seen her face.
I love it.
Aww. I wish we had more time here. Wow.
I see it.
Hi, butterfly. Hi, don't scare. He's scared. He's scared. Don't be scared.
Aww.
You mean no harm.
Okay, we gotta catch the bus now. We gotta go on the bus before it's too late. So we're about to go into the Ernest Hemingway home. So we're inside. You can see all the cat hairs because there are 54 cats in this house. They're all taken care of. They get vet visits, I think weekly, they said. It's one cat. We saw some outside. Oh my god, we're like melting in the heat and it's nice and cool in here. We found another kitty. Say hi, kitty.
I miss you.
Look at this pool. Wow. I don't know much about Ernest Hemingway, to be honest, but I just passed by a tour guide that was talking about him, and it's pretty interesting stuff. He lost 70% of his memory at one point of his life, and he was like the most interesting man in the world, and he didn't even remember himself. So it's very interesting. I'm gonna look him up. I guess these are the cat houses, the cat hotels. Hey, sleepy kitty. I'm here at Cuban Coffee Queen. I've been dying to come here for a while, and now it's like right before the time we're leaving Key West, and now I finally get a chance to go. So I'm getting my bagel, my Cuban bagel. That's what it looks like. And a cortadito. Here it is, the thing I've been waiting to get for days now. Ken's like, oh, it's nothing special, but I want it. It's a, you know, it's a Key West thing. So this is all honey on top. And Kennedy's in the back listening to her music.
Huh?
Rosa!
Hey.
Hi!
Hi.
And Ray!
Hey! 9:44.
So,
We're gonna get so late there?
oh, it's so sticky. And there's the cream cheese. So we left Key West. We're driving up north from the Keys. Kennedy just won't go to sleep. It's so beautiful. It's like 7 o'clock. So the sun is going to be setting soon behind us. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm ready to go though. I'm tired. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't want to go, but I want to go. Like, I feel like I've seen a lot. We did so much. I don't know if I have a fever, but it feels like I do. It keeps coming back. Like, I'll take a medicine and it just comes right back after it wears off. So I have to keep taking it. It makes me feel so, like, tired or weak or, I don't know. So I'm looking forward to sleeping it off so I can feel better tomorrow, because tomorrow's our last day. Now we're crossing the 7-mile bridge. It's the longest bridge in the Keys. Here it is. Those are just random letters. Asha basha blah.
Eso dice, lo que dice. Mira, Liz.
So we are checking into our last hotel of our trip. It's our last leg. This hotel is called the Rally, and they use the old-fashioned keys, which is interesting. So I already opened the door, and I thought I was recording and I wasn't, so I stepped right back out for you guys. But the thing is that the light doesn't seem to be working, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shut the camera off for a second, figure out where the light is. Oh, that's he's using his phone. So yeah, the room looks really pretty, but there's no light. Oh, wait a second. So maybe this, maybe shine this. So this, I think, controls the fan, and maybe this controls something else. This doesn't seem to work. Let me just call the front desk. So this is the room. We figured out the lights. There are only these two and that one. So these switches were only for the fan. Somehow I never experienced that before. So yeah, so the room is pretty big. It's nice staying. So yeah, we're just waiting for our stuff to be brought up with the bellhop. Oh, this light works right away. Save, which I'm gonna need tomorrow. This is a nice little room for ironing and stuff in the closet. But we're only here one night. So let's check out the bathroom. Hello. Stand-up shower. Kenny wants to take a shower. Awesome. Very cool. Telephone in case I get bored on the toilet. Awesome. Alright, well, that's all I need, huh? Perfect.
Hold this door open so I can let her in.
Yes, please. Hi, Mama. Are you excited? In the morning, we're gonna go swim in the pool first thing in the morning.